Hello everyone, you are welcome on Errors Overflow. Today we will see how to create IAM user in AWS and assign policy to that. Let's start the video. This is AWS console. So here there is in search bar. In search bar I'll type IAM and here it is in services I can see IAM service. I will just click on this. And then here left side you will see dashboard, access management, here user groups and users. Click on users. Then here it is create user. I'll create user Hari Ram test and then provide user access to AWS Management Console. I want to create an IAM user and then here it is auto generated password and then users must create a password at next sign in. So I'll click on next here. If you want to create password you can use custom password, but I want to create, you let user create his next password and there will be automatic auto generated one password will be there. So click on next. Here here you can provide permissions at the time, but let I will provide permissions later. So I'll just click on next. Here there is a one permission, IAM user change password. This is required so that user can change his password. Now create user. Here this is you can see login details. So I will just copy this. I will open a different browser and just paste it here. Then copy the username, paste it here in IAM username, and also copy the password, console password, and paste it here. Sign in. Here it is asking to reset the password. I will just copy the old password and paste it here. Old password means copy from here and paste that. New password just create. Confirm password change. Continue to sign in. Here you will see a lot of things like access denied to this to service catalog, list applications. So this means it is saying that if you want to see this thing like service catalog, then you need this permission, this policy list applications. So let me copy list applications, copy this. Here click to return to user list. click on username, then you will see policy, then add permissions, line policy, and that will be line policy we create when there is a user and only, and if user is being added in a group, then we create group policies. But here this user is an individual user, so we will create inline policy. So here in JSON, what I will do is I will just in resources I will add star, and in actions I will just add it here. This is X asking for service catalog colon list applications. I'll copy this one and add to the policy, and then click next. Here in policy name I will write is user policy 1, and create policy. This is how we have generated policy user policy 1 using JSON. And now I'll refresh the page here. You can view this now. What I will do is now is I will generate policy using a different way. Let's look into that. I will choose the service. Yeah, so here you will see this is asking for IAM get summary, account summary. So I will add this one into a new policy, creating line policy, and this time I will use policy editor. So here using visual, so just I will select IAM and then list, get account summary, this one, select this. Here you'll see allow. Here you can change the allow or any. So I will doing allow, click on next. This is then create policy. Here you need to write the name, user policy 2, and then create policy. Here you see user policy 2. Then I'll refresh the page here. Then here you will see IAM resources, and this time here you will see something. You don't have permission. Let me do one thing. Here you will see IAM list account alias. So I will add this one using modifying existing policy. So I'll do, I will modify user policy 1. So here I'll include a comma and edit here inside double quote. Then you will see what is generated IAM. Then click next and then save changes. You will, here you will see there is nothing, but I will refresh the page. And now you can see here AWS account. This is how we can add a policy. Now what I will do, I will I'll just instead of allow, I will do Denny for IAM resources. So I'll click on user policy 2, and then here inside, instead of allow, what I will do is Denny next, save changes. I'll go here, refresh the page. It is again saying that don't have permission for IAM get account summary, and here we'll see nothing. So inside IAM resources, so this is how we can add and remove policies. We can also delete the policy. So I'll select here delete, and then remove. Let me remove this as well, and we can remove, remove. It is removed. This is how we can remove the policy as well. So here you will see account, AWS account. Let me refresh the page, and now you see access denied. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Overflow.